When I met her, she was 18.
Yeah.
18?
Yes. It's
First
childhood.
boyfriend?
Yes.
First boyfriend who's turned husband.
Yes, touch wood,
wow.
touch wood.
I think that's everybody who
It's
wants it that
dream,
way.
right? He used to come sit next to me. I was so shy. I could not tell him you're wearing a nice perfume.
She never gave me the compliment.
I couldn't.
People
That
used
was.
to tell me that I smell really great and all. I use great perfumes.
I was.
She used to sing songs, yeah. What was the song?
Okay, wait, I'll
what
tell
was
you.
the song? This is a secret now for the first time on camera.
I love you, I love you नहीं था.
कुछ
It was,
ऐसे-
I think,
We
I'm
should
going to marry.
marry you.
But when they were doing the show together, when Kundli Bhagya, so obviously Shraddha and Dheeraj couple was such a hit, even now it is.
Yeah, it is, it
तो
is.
तब तो मुझे भी कोई नहीं जानता था, तो मतलब यही था कि why are you even married to him?
ऐसा था कि मैं 4 दिन बात नहीं करूंगा लेकिन 5वें दिन आई एम द वन हु इज पिकिंग द फोन एंड कॉलिंग हर
So when
गलती किसी की भी हो.
किसी की भी हो.
so गलती मेरी तो कभी होती नहीं थी ना.
You know, और शादी की सबसे बड़ी हाईलाइट क्या थी? नोटबंदी.
Demonetization.
Oh, हाँ.
हमारी शादी से 10 दिन पहले
10 दिन भी नहीं, मे बी 8 को या 9 को हुआ था, 16 को शादी थी.
16 को शादी.
All the shows, some awards, ये वर्क करवाएंगे वो. मैंने कहा अपनी शादी में क्या हो गया था भाई? Simple.
I didn't cry.
I also didn't cry on my
I was
birthday.
very happy. We were in different
You
zones.
cry in your vidai also.
And we were a little high also. We were a little high
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
तो हम
So I didn't cry on my birthday.
फेराज
हाँ.
ऐसा हो गया था कि I started having major headache. Major. So now I'm just sitting quietly like this in the feras because I have major headache. So she's मेरे कान में आके कहती है so थोड़ा हंस ले, सबको लगेगा जबरदस्ती शादी हो रही है.
Then there is, you know, like a small onesie that says boyfriend this year to this year, husband this year to this year, daddy 2022. So he took his time. Why is she giving me a baby cloth? Until he read it. So it was hilarious because inki, matlab,
My
it didn't
reaction.
strike him only.
What was your reaction?
I was crying.
Yeah, I was.
I was crying.
Okay, these are from the Leher collection that we have at Carrot Lane. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
I have to choose, right?
Yeah, you will have to choose for her.
I think she will choose the.
Well, this episode of Carrot Lane Natural Diamond presents Love Unscripted is extremely special because I think I waited for this episode for the not last 1 year that I started this channel. I think I waited for almost 5 to 7 years because I know Dheeraj for 7 years. My first day at the Pink Villa office, I walk in and I see Dheeraj because he was shooting Jhakash.
Jhakash.
If I'm not mistaken.
Yes,
Yes, imagine.
Yes.
But although Dheeraj is a lovely person and a very good friend, but brownie points to Vinny for making this happen. My whole loyalty in this episode is going to be towards you. You guys do not know the amount of love you guys have, which is amazing. Because us level ka goodwill and love from audience, honestly, it's unimaginable because every episode you will go and read, there are comments. Please get them, please get them. Like there was a point, not this time. Thankfully, they have seen your vlogs and they have messaged me that, oh, this is happening and everything. But just before that, there was a person who's such a huge fan of yours who got upset with me. Like, मेरी मम्मी ने जैसे नहीं डांटा है, उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे डांटा है कि आपको क्या उनके से प्रॉब्लम है? आप उनको बुलाते ही नहीं हो. 1000 मैसेजेस आपको मैंने भेजे, आपने इग्नोर किया है ना. Then I realized the amount of sweet love that both of you had, and then I had to close this season with both of you. I'm very happy. We wanted to open it, but theek hai. Chalo, we'll close it with you. How have you guys both been? Thank you for doing this, genuinely.
No, it's a pleasure to be here. I'm so glad it's finally happening.
Yeah, super happy to be here.
And this is your first podcast, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken.
Yes.
But
Actually, pata nahi, it's funny, right? We've never been on a podcast because Dheeraj has always been busy. So we never had the chance to kind of do
I've
this.
been busy also, and secondly, from the very beginning of my career, I've been a very private person.
Yeah.
I always wanted to keep my professional life away from my private life. but-
that I have got. You know,
Yeah.
Bhavna has told me that.
Yeah.
He's very private. That's why
Yeah,
possibly
and
he's
you know,
not.
this is somehow now the trend of social media has come up, the trend of podcasts have come up. So I know, and we are also changing with time, and there's nothing to hide with the fans,
Yeah.
from the fans and all. But it doesn't come naturally to me, being there out on the podcast or something and speaking about my life and all. But I've done few, but not with her. This is
Yes.
because you are special.
Thank you. बस मैं बहुत खुश हो गया. You know, this the reason why I've called this chat show Love Unscripted is because today, if you go around and see, like when I look at my mom and dad, they celebrate 47 years. Like this year would be the 47th year. Okay, so I see them bickering also at each other like two college kids or even lesser, like school kids. They'll fight also like kindergarten kids, but the thing that brings them together is the amount of dependency and love and companionship that exists, which is missing today from this generation. A lot of people have complained, including me, that I feel like the amount of attachment is possibly something which is a miss, right? But you guys fell in love. Matlab, this is childhood
Years ago.
love. This
Yeah.
is childhood love.
When I met her, she was 18.
Yeah.
18?
Yes. It's
First
childhood.
boyfriend?
Yes.
First boyfriend who's turned husband.
Yes, touch wood,
wow.
touch wood.
I think that's everybody who
It's
wanted
dream,
that.
right?
Yeah.
It's a girl's dream. It's my, and I have said it before in a couple of interviews that to me this is modern day fairy tale, you know, because all of us, especially girls, we all dream of this, you know, one prince charming, you know, you come and wo sacha pyar, and you know what we see in the movies, the butterflies, phir aap unke sath ghar banate ho, then you get married, parents are happy, you know, nice homely guy, no fuss, because I think the dating scenario and all that has become very adulterated now. So touch wood, I never saw any of that, and you know, so it was, and our values match. Most importantly, so true. So it was ideal. So I definitely call this a modern day fairy tale.
There's
to
a
me.
famous. She said something on one of the shows about me. You know, ये चेहरे को देखकर प्यार नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? And it is a viral
It's
thing.
a reel. It's a reel.
So now people are actually making a lot of reels on it.
But you know, the thing is, Dheeraj, I'm saying this out aloud and I'm saying it on your behalf also because we have had conversations and I know it's each for both of you, you know, I think सूरत अच्छी है दोनों की, but उससे भी अच्छी मतलब ज़्यादा अच्छी सीरत होती है, पता है? And that's one thing that brings you both together. When you speak about values that are matching, that are ideal, I think it's the सीरत that matters, right? When the first time that you guys met each other, when you guys were really young, you know, and you didn't know how it would eventually end up, what was your first impression of each other? Do you remember the first time you met each other? And what
Oh
was-
yeah.
I remember.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I want to know.
No,
I
his
remember.
first impression of me is not that nice. So please.
Then definitely this.
So this was the show माता पिता के चरणों में स्वर्ग, and Rajan Shahi was the producer, and मुझको ऐसा बोला गया कि this was a story actually, three brothers, हम साथ साथ हैं, inspired story, and I'm playing Saif Ali Khan, the youngest son in the family, and ठीक है, ऐसे love story होगी, you are like Saif, you know, little flamboyant and all.
Nutcut.
So nutcut and all. So आपके opposite, you know, we'll try to get someone who looks like Kareena Kapoor and all, and okay, yeah, very good and all. So I was okay, chalo, Karishma Kapoor, and then मेरे एक sequence था जिसमें मैं आता हूँ abroad से पढ़ के, and I get down from the bike, super bike, which my dad gifted me in the show, and मैं खोलता हूँ दरवाजा, me and one of my brother, we open the door, and then the aarti is happening, and one girl wearing the lehenga, choli and everything, and doing the aarti, and then they all turn towards us, and that's the first time when I saw her.
Oh, you didn't know that she's doing the
No.
part.
No,
Okay.
we had not met. Before we met straight on the set, on the final rehearsal.
On the final rehearsal, and you know how the TRP system works and everything. So आपको बताया जाता है कि आपका एक character आएगा, but ये नहीं पता
Then
था
it
कि आगे
changes.
चल के she will get, you know.
Yeah.
So she will be paired opposite me.
Yeah.
So क्या
I was
होता है?
supposed to be paired opposite somebody
Somebody
else.
else actually. So I saw her, and I said, okay, tiny girl, cute. As this was my first reaction.
18 years old, yeah, matlab-
and very young. I said, yeah, matlab, but मुझे नहीं पता था what character she's playing and all. And then I went and I said, I'm Dheeraj, and she said hi. And that is the thing. That is the thing from my
So
end.
his first impression of me was one tiny girl standing in a lehenga.
Very normal.
That's it.
That's it. I met everybody, all the cast members. I went and met her. That's it.
That's it. You want to hear
No,
mine?
because see,
It's
that
very
was my
interesting.
first show. She's been the child artist. She has done so many shows. मैं अपनी lines याद करूँ, मैं लोगों से मिलूँ. I was so conscious about everything. Being on the set for the first time. in
That
my
was your
life.
first day.
Yeah.
It was my first date.
Pretty much. Yeah, it was
Yeah,
your
so
first.
I was conscious about various things. How I'm looking, am I doing okay? How people are.
Also, coming from Delhi and
Yeah.
not having
Yes, yes,
connections,
So, so
of
many
course.
things in the mind, and then just that's it. Okay, hi, I'm Dheeraj. Get aside, read your lines.
और कोई बात ही नहीं की.
No.
Then he was actually talking to the seniors more. You know, the ones that were playing, you know, moms and dads, they're seniors, you get to learn from them, you know, and it's just talking. And we were like on the same table and he was talking to other people and I was like, why is this guy not talking to me? And growing up, I've been a very like an introvert person. Always extracurricular and stuff, yes.
You are an introvert?
I was.
I say you were. Yeah.
Now I'm not. Now
Very
I'm
nice.
Now I'm a
I think
YouTuber.
he's an ambivert. He's not an introvert. I feel he's selectively extroverted and introverted.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is.
I've never seen him like introverted and everything.
No.
From day one I've seen like he's because he was also hosting that time,
Yeah.
so he had to be like
So
that.
he's-
And
yeah.
we used to go and give him scripts and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
And the teleprompter.
But there's also one
Crazy.
side of him that actually comes out, you know, with friends or maybe on a holiday.
People I'm comfortable with.
You
Yeah,
know,
that's what
that is
ambivert.
That is like a crazy side. Like
Ambivert.
That, yeah, that very few people have seen.
But you were an introvert.
Growing up, I was an introvert. Okay,
Don't
look
believe
at him,
this,
eh?
but ठीक है.
So I was very selective of my friends. I was not into masti, naughtiness, mischief, pranks, boys, you know, going out, partying, nothing. I actually started working really young for fun as a hobby and it kept happening. So I was doing it. So I started working also very early. So I was actually very guarded because I was a young girl and I was working. So I was always like कि ज़्यादा किसी से बात नहीं करनी. Everybody has to take me seriously and not like, you know, think of anything else. So, you know, not talking, ye, wo. So I was very that. And I was working. Before that also, I had done Aatva Vachan. So,
I was a big fan.
you know,
I'm still a big fan.
big fan of a
Yeah.
tiny
I'm
girl.
serious when I say this.
But yeah, so I
But you
started.
didn't realize that she's the same person.
No, I
No,
realized.
he knew. He
I
knew.
realized, but I told
But
you I
he
was
told
very-
me, he said, I've seen your work and I love it and you were great and all. बस उतना ही. So when I saw him, I'd seen some pictures of him जो लगी होती है ना घर में shooting में. तो I'd seen some pictures and he had like a nice build. So वो जो close up photo थी उसमें मुझे नहीं इतना समझ में आया how this person actually looks because pictures like we all feel he still you know looks way better in person. He definitely feels that.
I
He
feel that.
feels he looks
You-
better
you
in
look-
person than
But you
in
look good on screen also.
तो वही
Very
ऐसे
good.
फिर तो हम सबको तो डूब के मर ही जाना चाहिए. If you don't look nice, so where do we all stand? We don't stand anywhere, right? Anyway, so I'm growing up, no boyfriends, no guys, no like nothing.
But घर से ऐसा था conservative family or like
it
your
was
choice?
थोड़ा बहुत conservative था, इतना नहीं था. But I was working, I was doing
Yeah.
shit, late nights, ये वो सब कुछ था, friends ये वो. But I was just how your upbringing is, na? So we're very simple people. So बस वही था. And I was like, ठीक है, okay, लड़का. I was never into कोई cute है, कोई क्या है, कोई nothing, absolutely nothing. The first time I ever felt something was when I saw his face. That is the first time I ever felt anything. And I'm not saying this just because we're doing this podcast. I was least interested. Even now, like after I've had him in my life, a lot of my friends when I was getting married and all also, कि you talk to each other 5 times a day? क्या बात करते हो तुम बोर नहीं होते हो? You don't find anybody else cute?
Even if I'm
like,
shooting for the first time with you, you will know about Winnie the very first instance you'll.
Yeah. So you don't. She's like, nobody else is cute to you. I said, I don't care if anybody else is cute or not. You know, like I never cared before. I never cared after. But the first time I really felt something was when I saw his face, and it was yes, that's the real Dheeraj is talking about. That I don't believe in love at first sight. You know, shakal dekh ke pyar ho gaya. That's just shallow, right? Because
But you didn't believe it.
I didn't believe in it. But it happened to me. But look at this face. ये शक्ल देख के प्यार नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा?
Listen, but ऐसे ही नहीं बोलते शाहरुख खान of Indian
Yeah.
television. There's a reason.
But that everybody got to know now, ना मैंने तो पहले ही देखा था ना, like it
But your
was his
first
show.
impression was this, like you really like got
I was
attracted
like,
to him.
yes, I was like, what a cute guy. Like he had, I mean, I didn't know. So for the longest period, I didn't notice dimples. I didn't notice fair skin. I didn't notice hair, अच्छे, nothing. I was just like, who's this lovely person? That's it. He used to come sit next to me. I was so shy. I could not tell him you're wearing a nice perfume.
She never gave me the compliment.
I couldn't.
People
That
used
was.
to tell me that I smell really great and all. I use great perfumes and all, but she never.
I couldn't tell him you're
So
looking
who
nice.
broke the ice? किसने बात किया पहले?
It took, for me, it took time.
Yeah.
I mean, I was alone in Bombay. It was my first time, and I had no car that time. She started picking me,
तो ये तो प्यारी है ना.
and
फिर.
she started getting food, homemade food from
Yeah.
home. for
Mom
me.
used to make lunch for me.
So
I was 18.
She
So
started taking care of me in various ways. I mean, if I'll think about it now, I would have not survived. But yeah,
he was quite the baby, huh? Back then, he
so
was a
she
baby.
took care of me in most of the ways, and slowly, that converted into love for me.
Yeah.
And I fell in love. And when we started dating, we started with the note that I want to get married to you.
Yeah.
So when I shifted to Bombay, she is the only girl in my life.
That's so true.
Yeah.
So many years of you being in the industry, and you know what? Let me just put it out very clearly because it's my channel. I can say it.
Of course.
Bhavna has told me that listen, you have to ask Dheeraj because what is the secret that his name has never been linked with anybody?
Because he didn't do anything. Na?
Exactly.
That is the secret.
No, but कुछ लोगों का बिना किए भी होता है. देखो
सच.
मीडिया करती है अपने वो जो एक फैंडम हो जाता है ना of like the craze of the two actors, especially like who are playing those characters. Sometimes it oversees a lot of a lot of real life couples, right? And the chemistry that they have. She's like, what is it? How did he manage to like get away?
Yeah, I think I never went that way. मुझे ऐसा लगता है because it's a very it's a thing to say only that मैंने कभी ये सब सोचा नहीं. Actually मैंने नहीं सोचा. My whole focus was my work and to become big in life. My whole focus. The minute, as I said, the minute you'll meet me, the second thing you'll know after my name is that Winnie is my girlfriend. Winnie ऐसे, Winnie वैसे. जितने भी मेरे दोस्त हैं आके इससे मिलेंगे वो कहेंगे यार I've heard so much about you. I never considered that she's a beautiful pretty girl. I should hide that I have a girlfriend and वो कभी mind में ही नहीं आया. And
she's so nice.
Yeah.
कभी भी नहीं.
Values
I think
that
the
match.
prettiest of the girls, the co-actors who I've worked with, they come and tell, okay, Winnie, oh, you are Winnie. So it's a fact. I mean,
but who was the one who took the initiative to start the conversation? You or you?
Conversation तो काम पे ही हो गई थी ना. Hi, अब तो co-actors
No,
है.
the conversation that I like.
No.
it was also again very.
It was everybody
organic.
else around us that started talking.
Her friends, her co-actors.
So everybody, because we were like, I was.
She used to sing songs, yeah. What was the song?
Okay, wait, I'll
what
tell
was
you.
the song? This is a secret now for the first time on camera.
No, Riddhi will tell you. So Riddhi is a very dear friend. She was also on that show with us. So me and Riddhi were sharing makeup rooms, and I was falling in love. She had just broken up. So we used to listen to that song. Tu Jaane Na. Kaise बताएं? हाँ, yes, that one. The Kailash Kher version. So we used to like अभी time है and we were relatively new. 2 घंटे wait करना है makeup room में blast करके मतलब she is singing her lungs out, I'm singing my lungs out, and then we would also sometimes like go together in the car, go back home and everything. So we would just be like, I would be like on one door and she would be on like the other door.
But why were you on the other door? She had a breakup.
I was
Yeah,
it was all
good
so
question.
new. No, it was all very new to me. So to process the feelings, I've never felt all this ever before in my life. You were scared. So I was like, what is this even? And this guy has just come from Delhi. He's worked before. He's older, smarter, more mature. I'm just a kid. Why will he be with me? And is that even the right thing? Will this, it's like for me also and for him also, it was always a permanent thing. It was never like, chalo date karte hain, dekhte hain. So when I saw him, I was like, matlab, like I see a future. And I was just 18. So I was like, is this really going to happen also? So there were so many things, right? But that's not the point. Everybody else around us started teasing. Prachin, other co-actors, everybody, ki, what's happening over here? And we were like, nothing, it's nothing. Because it was nothing. We had never spoken to each other. In fact, there's one point in time, there was kuch Diwali hoga, so I used to like take sweets for him, make rangoli outside his house so that he should not feel lonely, you know, and do a puja for him, then go back to my house with my parents also and do all that.
पर ये प्यार नहीं है तो क्या है बताइए
हमको
आप।
नहीं पता था उस समय
थोड़ा
ना।
बताइए, नहीं हमें बताइए बताइए हमारी जिंदगी हमसे पूछिए, जिनके पास कोई है नहीं रंगोली बनाने के लिए फेस्टिवल्स में, उन्हें पूछिए कि कोई करे तो भैया हम तो बोले कि हाय लुट गए हम।
So I remember one Diwali
That
only.
won me over actually, those things.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I mean, those qualities, and still she's the same.
No, and one Diwali, so that maybe some Diwali or something only, I'd gone to his house, we did the puja, and then I was like, I'll sit for a while and then I'll go. I have to go and, you know, do puja with my family. And we were just sitting and eating and talking, and then he's like, you know, so and so was saying that you like me. Something. And I'm like, no. Who told you that? I couldn't confess. I cannot tell him you smell nice. How can I tell him I like you? 18-year-old. So I'm like, who told you that? No. Me, I like you? No. And I was like, let's just get out of here. I should not be in this room. I am leaving from here. Like, that was me. I could not tell him.
So then how you found out? Who told you this?
He felt it also, and
I felt it. Yeah, it was for me. It was very organic, and I was going with the flow. It was never कि okay आज मैं ऐसे करूँगा, आज मैं propose करूँगा, आज मैं ऐसे करूँगा. This is the next step and all. We took our time.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए तो especially she was in love with me and all, but I realized see vibes मिलती हैं and all. But you know, I took my time of 6, 7, 8 months to actually tell her that I like her. And क्या होता था ना? See, when you are in a relationship, even a friendship, there's always fights, small fights and everything. But I made sure, or I realized also that I have to get back to her. So मैं 4 दिन अगर गुस्सा होता था तो 5वें दिन मैं ही जाता था वापस. And it is always the thing. और मैं हमेशा ये बात बोलता हूँ कैमरे पे to the younger generation also कि it's your choice only to be in a relationship. You can walk out of the relationship any day, anytime. Nobody can stop you. But it's your choice and only your choice to be in a relationship with a person if you want to be there.
true.
You can give 1,000 reasons to anybody that I don't want you in my life and I'm walking out. But it's you who has to go back and be together. And this
You
is what I
value
found.
that person,
Yeah.
then of course.
This is what I found.
And that's what we also discuss sometimes. You know, you will have like any XYZ person, the guy will have 10 options, the girl will also have 10 options. But you make a choice, right?
If you love somebody, you will
Yeah.
stick to
मेरी
that
दोस्त की
one.
मम्मी ने बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली थी कि पहले लड़ाई होती थी तो हम लोग आपस में बात करते थे ना एज अ कपल. एंड लड़ाई होने के बाद अंकल ने मुझे कुछ कह दिया, मैंने उनको कुछ कह दिया, एंड वी सॉर्टेड आउट. एंड हम ऐसा नहीं होता था कि मैं घर छोड़ के जा रही हूँ या मैं जा रहा हूँ एंड देन वी सेपरेट. एंड वो आजकल चॉइस आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजंस. और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि इससे
Patience also. No?
या सबका अपना पर्सनल है. बट माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज दैट कि एनीथिंग इफ इट्स नॉट दैट बैड और वर्स्ट यू कैन एक्चुअली सॉल्व इट एंड बीट इट.
So you took 7-8 months
Yeah, more than that, yeah.
kind of understand
Realizing,
that
yeah.
you also
Yeah.
like her the same way. Who's the one who approached whom after those 7-8 months is what I want to know.
I think me. I think I was the one.
क्या बोला आपने?
कुछ भी नहीं. Again, I said it was very organic and अब तो वो moment भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं
वो
है.
कुछ I love you
love
नहीं
you
था.
कुछ
It
ऐसा
was
नहीं.
I think
We
I'm
should
going to marry you.
Yeah.
He's telling an 18-year-old girl. It was never ki I like you, I have feelings for you. It was nothing. It was like very casual. I think
We started with a note of it only. It was never about dating this girl, then getting a trial phase, जो आजकल हो गया trial phase. And
let's see where this goes.
Yeah.
to its own. I don't demean people about that thing. If they're
It's a choice
it's
again.
a choice. But you know, I didn't get into that trial period because I know that this girl is the best for me. I've decided that. So I told her that let's get married. She said I'm too young. I said not now, but let's get married in 1 or 2 years.
Yeah, in a couple of years.
I was
Couple of years me you were ready to get
Yeah.
married.
but then she was too young.
I
But
was-
then she got ready. I said now let me make myself a little
Build a life.
build a life financially more stable and everything. And then it took us 7
So
years. in that phase.
18 to 23, I was like 5 years to ho hi gaye na. So at 18 I was like, I can't walk to my dad and say I'm 18 years old, please get me married. 18, 19 now 20, 21, how can I go? And so 3-4 years went. Finally, when I was 23, I was like, okay, it's been 5 years. I can tell him and then we can get married in 1 or 2 years or whatever. Then I told him, I said, should I talk to dad? He said, no, now you give me 2 years. he was already doing well, but he's like, I'm looking to build a life. Now you give me 2 years. I was like, okay, I have all the time. Matlab kya hi, you know. So then we waited another 2 years, and then
2016?
Yeah,
2016.
16 you
November
guys got
2016,
married.
yes.
Yeah.
Now, I want to ask you this before I get into that you have seen each other through the lowest and the highest phases, right? What makes your relationship work through all the kinds of pressure? Just like Catlin Diamonds, I want to ask you, like, what has made it rise above the pressure? When you guys were like you said, that you want building a life of your own, she has been there like a rock, right? In each other's case, you guys have seen the lowest phases. What has helped you move?
Most of the things, yeah, from the biggest to the smallest of the things. Why I said that, till today, ऐसा नहीं है कि I cannot decide that what I have to wear or where I have to go and how what will I speak and all, but I still need her suggestion, advice, you know, till today. I mean, it's been 16 years being together, but वो कहती कई बार irritate भी हो जाती है, कहती यार तू खुद कर लेना, you have such a great fashion sense, but no, I need that support. I need that involvement in my life about anything, from buying a car to buying a t-shirt to what I'm gonna wear at particular event and all, everything I need. So ये तब से है, when I was building that life for us, so I used to take all my decisions involving her.
Yeah.
You know, not, you know, it was a team from that time itself. So वो चीज जो छोटी से छोटी चीज होती है ना, जब you know someone कि आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कॉल आता है and then the next call is going to Vinny, अच्छा वो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, let's me do that. तो she's my legal advisor, she is my career advisor,
All in one.
yeah. So I need that advice, I need that tick mark. Okay, I'm moving ahead with this, are you okay with this? ऐसा नहीं कि I cannot do it alone, but I need her still.
Yes.
You know, and that is what I think all of us, all the men, look for in their partner. You know, that team, that support.
Emotional dependency is
Yeah,
what
yeah.
keeps you.
And I'm that kind
And-
of person. Really, yeah.
Nahin, and speaking of the highs and the lows, as a couple, obviously there are a lot of things that you know, you need to balance out. As a woman and as a homemaker, I feel like patience is everything. Even when you're on your highs, you are busy, you are tired, you are pressured with so many commitments. You are, you know, like, so for him to, you know, be standing there happily, you know, he needs to have a home that's happy, right? And even on our lows, if, you know, there's something that's not worked out in his favor, if someone's, you know, been mean or whatever, if something's not nice or whatever, even then, for him to be standing tall and, you know, be standing firm, I feel like he needs to have like a home that he can, you know, come back to and, you know, be himself and maybe crash if he has to, you know, to be able to break down, you know, he needs that, you know, support. And I think patience
I
is
think
something.
मैं ऐसे मजाक में कभी पूछता भी हूँ, what did you, other than, I mean, मजाक की बात है, looks वगैरह को हटा के, what did you, because I was nothing when I met her. I was starting my career as an actor. That was
But
my
that's
first.
possibly.
So she said, and she told her friends several times that, okay, when I met her, कुछ लोग कभी कहते हैं ना that धीरज has become this, तो कुछ change आया उसके नीचे में. उसने कहा जब मैं धीरज को मिली थी ना, धीरज पहले दिन भी ऐसा था जो वो आज है. There is no difference in him. और कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि कहते भी हैं, you know, that there's certain air around him and, you know, but she says no, तुम जिसको जानते नहीं हो, मैं उसको पहले दिन से जानती हूँ. वो तब भी आता था ना, तब भी वो उतने ही स्टाइल में आता था, उतने ही
He was
People
still
have
a
said there's an air about
Yeah,
you. Who are these people?
yeah, you cannot stop.
होते हैं.
I met him. Now I'm going to say. Now see, I'm supporting you so much. Okay. First day of my work at Pink Villa. First day.
Yeah.
22nd April 2019.
Wow, you know
It's
the
also
date.
going to be like a 7 years almost now.
Wow.
So it's the first day I met him, by the way.
Oh.
I have walked in, okay, and suddenly in the afternoon I see Dheeraj Dhupar walk in. I'm like, अच्छा, he's shooting like हमारे studio में ही आए. So I get to know that we are doing this show and he's hosting the show. It's called Jhakash. You will not believe, Vinny, when he walked in, he came, there were at least 35, 40 of us, okay? He has gone and met everybody, including the person who helped us with our chores, like who used to do, like who used to even pick up our coffee, those people, like that person also, he's gone and said, कैसे हो आप? And मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. Honestly speaking, मेरी मम्मी ने वही सिखाया मुझे कि you are judged by how you treat them, you know, because they are always so disrespected by people. If you give them a little bit of love, they feel so happy. While going also, he has spoken to them. And for me, I can't believe who's saying all this, buddy. Guys, sorry to say, but...
No, and this, yes. Also, the little, the air that people talk about, the heroic, the celebrity. I always tell them, he was a celebrity even when it was his first day of shoot. He's not the way he is because he became something. He was a cool guy. He was always a well-dressed guy. He always carried himself. He did not let anybody talk to him, any lesser. He was always, you know what I'm saying? So you cannot like demean him, or you cannot, I mean, because it's not fair, right? For no reason, even though he was new, he was hardworking. He was that person, that celebrity, that hero to himself, to everybody, even when he was not a celebrity to the world. So it's not that it has happened because, of anything. If at all, I think now he cares less about, he's like, he's lazier now. But pehle bhi, when I saw him the first day, nobody could talk wrong to him. Nobody could talk back to him. He will talk to everybody respectfully. He will expect everybody to talk to him a certain way. He will be well dressed. He will eat well. He'll be well mannered. He will pull a chair for you. He was everything. Yeah. So what was not to fall in love for?
But do you also feel like कि एक feminine energy होती है आजू बाजू, you know, and let's be very honest that feminine energy is way more positive than masculine energy around anybody, around a man or a woman, okay? Honestly speaking, and it also helps you in growing in life, personally, emotionally, professionally. Do you feel that has happened? कि जो विनी का जो एक एनर्जी है, एक वाइब है, that has also worked in your favor when it comes to कि प्रोफेशन में भी मतलब बहुत अच्छा काम आया है.
I always maintain that thing, and मैं सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं कहता, I mean it. I always tell people that she's been my backbone. When I told you right now that she's been very supportive in the smallest of the things to me, and when I was nothing, she was standing along with me. It means a lot. In every aspect of life, not only professionally, personally, even still till today. I mean, if I'm traveling somewhere for the shooting and all, producers हंसते हैं कई बार, ये भी मुझे हंसती है. मुझे work meetings में भी कई बार जाना, तू भी चलना.
हाँ.
Work meetings में, I'm asking you to come along with me, and she's saying, अब तेरे काम की meeting में you go. So as you said, that energy. That's a very good thing you said. It's an unsaid thing, but I think somehow
it brings in luck.
Because I'm a little.
No, we don't think of it like,
No,
I cannot
luck,
express that
love.
thing, but I still need that energy along with me.
Yeah.
That care, that love, that everything along with me to the work meetings also.
Sometimes he says, "Tu bhi chalna work meeting." I'm like, "Are you serious? How can you like?" Initially, when he had started doing Kundli and all, he would take me to all the Zee Rishte, this party, that party. When you're saying कि जब online, मतलब on screen आपका एक couple होता है, तो I have faced that also. So all the fans had started saying, writing, ये तो अकेला नहीं छोड़ती अपने पति को. ये तो शक करती होगी. ये तो आ जाती हर पार्टी में. मैंने कहा, can somebody please tell him कि ये मुझे खींच लेके आता, मुझे नहीं जाना है. And he used to drag me everywhere. This award, that award. You're sitting with your cast, your heroine is there. So any holiday, any events, abroad also, anywhere. Like he would just drag me. And everybody else used to just write, ये तो हर जगह पहुंच जाती है, ये तो हर जगह आ जाती है. She is, not letting like the whatever on-screen couple be friends and all that. And I'm like, hi Rabba. I said, Dheera, तुम मेरा नाम खराब कर रहे हो यार.
It's just opposite to that. I mean, she's the one who pushes me to go alone. spend time with your co-actors.
And sometimes I'm like, party करने जाओ ना co-actors के साथ. आज अच्छा दिन है ना? Why don't you guys go and celebrate? He's not going. He doesn't go only. I'm like, good TRP ना? Go out ना? Go out for drinks. You take everybody out. I'm like, go. Then उसमें भी he'll be like, you also come ना? ऐसे मैं तो नहीं आ सकती. या some party I'll be like, मुझे तो invite नहीं किया है. तो मैं. He's like, then I will also not go. I said, नहीं, you go. You're invited. He's like, no, तेरे को नहीं invite किया, मैं भी नहीं जाऊँगा. I'm like, oh shit. He doesn't go. He doesn't.
But I, you know, here I want to tell you something. So I had done an interview with Guru and Debina, and Debina told me that when Guru was doing Geet, the on-screen couple with Drashti got so popular that she used to get hate mails that why are you even his wife?
Yeah.
Like, have you also faced something?
Of course. I've gotten comments, DMs, mails. Actually, मैं पढ़ती नहीं हूँ, आए होंगे, I'm sure. But like so many DMs, and now I'm also like on YouTube, so a lot of comments and
Hate
all that.
comments.
Hate, like up to actually after I joined YouTube, people are getting to know me in person, so you know that has come down. But when they were doing the show together, when Kundli Bhagya, so obviously Shraddha and Dheeraj couple was such a hit, even now it is.
Yeah, it is.
तो तब तो मुझे भी कोई नहीं जानता था, तो मतलब यही था कि why are you even married to him? You know, वो तो like अगर if you hadn't met Dheeraj before Kundli, he would have been married to Shraddha only. I'm like, अच्छा तुमको बड़ा पता है? Maybe, but maybe not, right?
But did it affect you at all?
No, yeah, it didn't. I used to laugh because मतलब it's sweet because it's the love and everything. But I have gotten such, like, he has actually, okay guys, now I'm saying it out loud. You say anything wrong about me, he'll block you. Usme bhi, he's blocked a lot of people who come and write hate messages. You are blocking us from his phone. You have control of his phone. Guys, it's not me. It's him. He blocked you. Say wrong things about me, he'll block you. So now he's blocked some random people and they make like funny.
I feel like we should not have the negativity from anyone. Why should we? Just because we are actors and we want to put our professional life outside and public, personal life outside on social media, you cannot hate us, right?
Us nahi, baby, me.
I'm not someone who will take it silently. I'm not someone. If you come to me, I will handle it quietly. But if you come to my family, I will come back to you, and in a worse way. So I don't take this thing. I mean, I have certain respect for my family, and that is the reason that I always kept this aside. I mean, my professional life away from my personal life. I never ever got into all these things. I'll go outside and do interviews and podcasts, because I'm a very private person from the very beginning.
Yeah.
But now, because as I said that you are very dear to us, we thought of doing it with you, and especially with my son coming into the picture, I don't want people to be negative about anything in my life.
No, they don't, baby.
Now it has come down
Nobody
a bit
is,
because now they started knowing her better through her vlogs and everything. So I think they understood that what kind of person she is.
But she's lovely.
She's lovely. She's the loveliest.
She's actually the loveliest. It's a fact. I'm being honest. Like, she's asked me at least 10 times when I was unwell and I was feeling so guilty. The only reason I felt a little less guilty was when she kept on asking, no, don't worry, it is. And I was thinking, it's been years of me thinking that we are going to do this, and did I lose the opportunity just because? And I was thinking, oh shit, why did I fall sick and all of that? And then she was so lovely. She has messaged me, are you back from your trip with family? Let me know when you're back. And not like, we don't have any other date. You have to do it on the, which is what sometimes, I'm saying circumstantial, but hota hai. And thank you for actually making this happen. But at that point, when you were also seeing the peak of your stardom, okay, where there is love from audience for your character and for how you are in real life versus your fans only targeting her. What was your first reaction? Did it come to you as a rude shock, or were you like prepared for it?
No, I knew it would come. I mean, it will come to her because the on-screen couple was so famous, and it's a very natural, organic thing that people want us to be together.
Yes.
They feel that it's a real story, and they're so cute.
Yeah, we always wanted Shah Rukh Kajol to be married. When we were growing up.
Shah Rukh Kajol is married for at least good 7-8 years of my life in the beginning.
So cute together. The chemistry is so good, and actually Shraddha and me
have very good chemistry.
And friendship also.
Friendship also. I always maintain this on camera that we never rehearse the lines. It was very organic for both of us to perform the way we performed.
Yeah.
सो एक नेचुरल केमिस्ट्री है ही, यू नो, फ्रेंडशिप है ही, लेकिन एक हद तक वो आता है ऑन माय पार्टनर, रियल लाइफ पार्टनर, दैट इज ओके. But if you cross the lines, that is not okay with anyone, I think.
Yeah.
And then you need to step in and do your work.
Yeah.
And that's what I did.
But you also have a beautiful relationship with Shraddha. You guys are like very close friends.
Yeah, I've been better friends with all his co-actresses. I'm better friends with his co-actresses. He's
He's
not
the one who makes plans and everything, you know.
Because you two are not going to make plans.
He's not the planner. I'll be like, even like after the show's over, yeah, कुछ जाना है तो there are some parties we're invited to. I'm like, chal, we'll meet friends also. You know, you'll get to meet people. Let's go. You know, yeah, कभी भी कुछ भी था. So not just with Shraddha, like other co-actresses also from Kundli and other shows also. I'm still friends with them. They don't talk, but I'm talking. So I am this person. I'm just मतलब ये बड़ा philosophical लगता है, but for if not love,
वो
then
भी
what
ऐसे
is?
बोलते हैं कि हमको तेरे से मिलना है ना, तो we'll talk
To Vinny.
we'll make plans and we'll come home.
I agree. This interview has happened
Person.
thanks to her. Now I know if I need Dheeraj for anything,
Yes,
first
yes,
call.
absolutely.
You know?
I'm his manager, advisory, everything. You know, support.
Yeah.
But in the 5 years that you guys were dating, 6 years that you guys
Seven.
were, 7 years that you guys were dating. No, I'm talking about first 5. जब उसने बोला कि
अभी
2
देख,
साल
हाँ,
रुकना है,
5
like
plus
18 to 23. Because you were so young also, how many times did you guys fight? What did you guys fight over? And ऐसा कभी हुआ कि like हो गया, अब I am not talking to this person. There was a break or anything that you guys
बहुत
had.
बार हुआ,
बहुत बार.
बहुत बार हुआ यार. I was
Initially, though.
when I came to Bombay, I was a very different person.
Yeah,
I was very impatient. I was not calm at all, and I wanted things to be according to my liking, my way or highway. And when it comes to being impatient, I was very, very impatient. I wanted things to happen really quick in terms of my career, in terms of my life and everything. And I didn't know the gravity of the situations and all. So ऐसा होता था कि you know आप partner हो तो कुछ चीज़ पे she is not agree to it, and then आपकी डिस्कशन कहीं और लेवल पे चली जाती है, एंड देन यू आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू यू अगेन, चाइल्डिश बिहेवियर, ओके चलो मैं नहीं बात करूंगा. अब समझ में आता है, यू नो, बिकॉज नाउ यू हैव रीच्ड एट एन एज. तो उस चीज़ को द फ्यू थिंग्स जो मैंने समझा लाइफ में, बट आई वॉज द ओनली वन, आई थिंक यू विल एग्री विद इट, आई वॉज द ओनली वन हु ऑलवेज कम बैक टू हर, ऑलवेज केम बैक टू हर.
Yes.
मतलब ऐसा था कि मैं 4 दिन बात नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन 5वें दिन आई एम द वन हु इज पिकिंग द फोन एंड कॉलिंग हर.
So when
गलती किसी की भी हो.
so गलती मेरी तो कभी होती नहीं थी ना.
How modest. How
So
modest.
I'm never wrong. So, but नहीं,
But she changed me as a person a lot. I started understanding things. I started understanding how unreasonable I was, and then Oreo came in our life.
First baby.
My
Yeah.
first baby, and he changed me as a person a lot. He made me very patient in life. He made me very calm in life, and then my son came, Zan, my second son. So
now you're a saint.
so now I started understanding the perspective. क्या होता था पहले, क्या होता था, if I'm telling you this is my perspective, if I'm telling you something, this has to happen this way, it should happen because this is my perspective. I will not listen to why didn't it happen, so I will react to it. But now I listen to people that why they didn't happen, so you will tell me the reason and I understand it and I will quietly get away. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था.
ये बदलाव कब आया, कितने साल पहले?
यार ये
Over a period of time.
It's a process.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been 22 years for me now. So वो हल्के and today I'm the person I am.
But एकदम लंबा झगड़ा, मतलब एकदम लंबा. How long have you guys not spoken to each other?
This was अभी तो ऐसा होता ही नहीं.
अभी नहीं, पहले की.
बहुत पहले when
अब
we
तो
were
मैं
getting
please
to know
मेरी
each
भी
other.
तारीफ करो, अब तो ऐसा होता ही नहीं है.
हाँ, वही तो होता
अब
ही
तो
नहीं है.
मतलब even if there is some argument, the next minute I'm talking to her.
So it's a funny thing when I was talking about patience, okay, through ups and downs in a relationship. I would like to highlight here when he was, you know, when I met him, whatever age he was back then, he was immature, he admits, and he would be like, fine, I'm not talking to you. It was always him who would say, fine, I'm not talking to you, ye wo jo bhi, you know. And I used to be like, okay. I was never ki, baby please, baby, no. Fine, ye wo, no. neither am I aggressive, neither am I submissive, right? I used to be like, okay, because you don't understand it right now, you will understand it जब आपका गुस्सा थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाएगा. Maybe after 2 days, maybe after 4 days, आपको समझ में आएगी जब आपका गुस्सा ठंडा हो जाएगा. अभी आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा, right? So I used to be like, okay. I used to never be like, okay, you also this, you all that, nothing. कि नहीं baby, please don't, no. It just be like, ठीक है, जब गुस्सा ठंडा होगा. और फिर ठंडा हो जाता था. And then he used to understand. And then he used to come and talk to me. And then we used to be fine.
मुझे
Then there was
लगता है
no...
that it is also the important part for your growth
Yeah.
in a
Yeah,
relationship.
to
झगड़े भी.
understand each other.
Yeah, झगड़े भी
Yeah.
जो होते हैं छोटे छोटे वो it's a very important aspect of being in a relationship. अगर आपका सब कुछ smooth चल रहा है तो I think there is no growth.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Then you're just saying yes and yes to everything.
What was the first reaction from the family? When did you break it to your individual family, and what was their first reaction when?
यार they had guessed it यार.
दोनों
No,
family.
मेरी
his
फैमिली
parents-
आती थी, मेरी फैमिली आती थी, my brother, भाभी, my mom, dad, they used to come to.
अच्छा
from
his
Delhi.
family मैं
उनको
तो
ये होता
बड़ी
था, मेरे
लड़की
भैया भाभी तो बहुत क्लियर थे, मतलब
हाँ।
उनका हमेशा होता था कि यार ये लड़की बहुत अच्छी, इसी से शादी करना, तू इसी से उनका तो उनको पता भी था, somehow they
Yeah,
knew,
of
but
course,
मैंने
yeah.
कभी बोला नहीं था, तो या मैं भी बोल के आगे बढ़ जाता था, but my parents also had an idea.
So no idea क्या they used to come and stay ना. तो तब भी ऐसा नहीं होता था कि मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ. I used to be like, now your parents have come, let me. नहीं, come, we are going out, come.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
I
अच्छा,
mean, if I'm
tomorrow we are
shooting,
going
she's
here.
taking them out.
Yeah, I used to take them out. Tomorrow we are going here, you also have to come. I'm like, no, I will not come. No, you also come.
Once they were here, I
So-
bought a new car and we went to Siddhivinayak. So she is the one who is doing
the puja. तो पेरेंट्स को समझ में नहीं आता क्या तो दे बट हिज फैमिली इज वेरी लाइक चिल मतलब कंजर्वेटिव भी नहीं कुछ भी नहीं सो दे वुड कम हैंग आउट वी विल ऑल हैंग आउट टुगेदर ही वुड से कि शी टेक्स केयर ऑफ मी सब कुछ है ओनली ही हैड नॉट टोल्ड देम वर्बली दैट दिस इज इट that was the only thing, but everybody knew everything. And by then my parents had also like an idea that I'm seeing somebody and I talked to somebody on the phone and all that. So my parents did have an idea, but my parents were more like, bro, what is this? I mean, they didn't know, right? Like they didn't know how to deal with a situation like that because I'd never dated before and they never had, like, my sister had an arranged marriage, so it was the first time they were also coming around. But then they met him and everything came around really well.
Yeah.
है ना?
No issues at all.
But first time, when did you break it to your parents? Like खुद से?
I think when I spoke to them for our wedding, and कि चलो I'm ready to
हाँ.
get married now, let's talk. तो मैंने अपने parents को बताया था कि तो मैं I told to my mom and dad
Yeah.
together. I think they were here and नहीं on the phone. I think I don't remember
Right.
actually exactly, but for my wedding.
No,
That close,
wedding
that
मतलब जब
close.
हमने सोच
Formally
लिया
जो
था
मैंने
कि
बताया.
जब हमने सोच लिया था कि अब पेरेंट्स को मिलवाना है, that's when
That's
he
That is which year?
2015.
2015.
2015.
Yeah. And
2015 is when you told your parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you break it to your parents? Like when you had to go tell them?
I don't know. I think I just told my mom, I guess. Or my mom would have asked me only. Yeah, ऐसी कुछ तो था. Like going to dad. My dad is awesome. But because like I said, the family, कोई डर नहीं था हमको. But वो that
एक sense
line
of
of
respect.
respect के लिए, that's the only thing. So I would have just told mom and like that's it. And then she only spoke to dad and then whatever happened, I was like, okay. So bas wohi hai. Otherwise it's all chill and all, but I never had the guts to, and I'm the youngest daughter. So, there's my sister, my brother, then me. So वो generation gap भी थोड़ा सा तो है ही. And that वो तो
You are also the younger.
The youngest one.
Yeah.
Oh wow! I think it's 3 younger siblings in the younger sibling squad. चलो अच्छी बात है. कोई बोल नहीं सकता कि हम. Of course, the younger siblings are always the best. The best. in
guys, but the
everything.
younger siblings are not really that young. So don't be so happy. You're not so young anymore.
It's okay, we are still young in
Yeah,
our heads. That's
yeah.
what matters. But the shadi, let's come to the shadi. When you were planning the shadi, what was it that you guys were like had in your mind as a vision, and how did you like execute everything? कैसा था? कितने दिनों की शादी थी? Proposal उससे पहले हो गया था या proposal?
प्रपोजल तो हमने आज तक नहीं किया. वो तो
आज तक नहीं किया?
मान के चले हैं एक दूसरे के.
There was no proposal.
और शादी की सबसे बड़ी हाईलाइट क्या थी? नोटबंदी.
Demonetization.
Oh हाँ.
Yes.
हमारी शादी से 10 दिन पहले.
10 दिन भी नहीं, maybe 8 को या 9 को हुआ था, 16 को शादी थी.
16 को शादी.
8.
Just imagine this happened, and you know how the shadis, weddings are in Delhi and all. So you how did we manage everything, and
Yeah.
the wedding was in Delhi. So going from here, arranging everything, her family is not from Delhi, and they are doing everything because suddenly there's no cash in hand.
Yeah.
It's just-
Wow, it must be very difficult.
Was crazy. But
but it
coming
went
back
very
to,
well. It went very smoothly.
Yeah.
In spite of that,
But
and
coming back to Shadi, he's asking, we had no vision, no like a dreamy, ye sab
in fact no
was not on
media
a-
also
nothing.
inside the venue, because मैंने मेरा एक मानना है वैसा भी कि my parents and her parents, her family should be very comfortable and organic about the whole process.
Yeah.
When there's so many cameras inside, and they start, because they're not actors, so they become a little
Conscious,
uncomfortable
yeah,
and
yeah.
conscious about the whole thing. So मेरा ये होता है कि मैंने बोला था, हाथ जोड़ के बोला था कि आप लोग आइए, मोस्ट वेलकम, बट एक पॉइंट के बाद
Let it be intimate, yeah.
Yeah.
so and they respect that thing, and it went very nice. I mean,
Yes.
जैसा मैंने इमेजिन किया था मेरी शादी ऐसी होनी चाहिए,
It was simple, it was sweet, it was not a small wedding, but it was not a grand wedding. It
मेरे
was
दोस्त
just
ऐसे बॉम्बे से जो मेरे
yeah.
बहुत करीब हैं,
Very
सब
few
कुछ मेरे
friends came.
co-actors, very few friends came, and
Who all came?
Jayati was there, Jayati Bhatia, Prachin Singh Chauhan, Chavi Pandey was there, Alan
Riddhi,
Kapoor, Riddhi
who I'm
Dogra
talking
was
about.
there, Falak Naz was there.
Yeah.
So
that time he was doing Sasural Simar Ka.
so all that family came. And,
Yeah. So those guys. So it was a small wedding. हमने सोचा था बाद
her
में
school friends.
हाँ my school friend बाद में हमने सोचा था we'll do something in Bombay, but then वो demonetization ये वो उसके चक्कर में अच्छा करते करते फिर वो रह गया. We also wanted to do something for the industry, but that didn't happen. And Delhi wedding was very basic. In fact, if you see his wedding, the most basic, sherwani,
But basic is
But
Yeah.
ये मुझे अभी भी
खूबसूरती
समझाओ
सादगी
इसको, ये
नहीं
मुझे अभी
होती
भी
है।
कहती है तू शादी when
On
now
screen
you are
शादियों
going
में-
on screen शादियों में you are doing the bestest of fashion.
And it's all his ideas and involvement in all the sherwanis he wears and all the shows, some awards. ये वर्क करवाएंगे वो. मैंने कहा अपनी शादी में क्या हो गया था भाई? Simple.
ये क्या
Yeah.
क्या हो गया था
No, but
बताइए?
that was that time
That's-
fashion Achkan.
yeah,
I'm
that
a big
time-
Saif Ali Khan fan, and I always saw him wearing Achkans and all. So I chose for an Achkan.
Yeah.
So which has no
Achkan is a good thing, but
Yeah, it was very like a royal blue, simple, like nothing.
no work on it.
Yeah.
So
Nothing. And for me also, I was very like sure I want the traditional red lehenga. I don't want anything else, So I wore a red
which is
lehenga.
again which became a rarity, and now again is becoming a thing.
Yeah.
Because thank God,
yeah.
like
Coming back to
honestly,
basics, yeah.
I am
Yeah,
also a very
red is-
classic
yeah.
guy. Like I would
Yeah,
be like,
yeah.
red has to be there at
Of
the wedding.
course, of course. So I was like, I want to wear a red. He was like, I want to wear a basic. So it was a typical Delhi ki shadi. It was not like a fancy dream.
कितने दिनों के
3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
सारे
Sorry functions.
Yeah, Mehndi and then Sangeet and Shadi. That's
Yeah,
it.
Sangeet.
So Sangeet, I want to know what are the dance performances that you guys had?
Haan, we did.
Was there
na.
a battle between the two families in the Sangeet performances?
Not the battle. We didn't do that battle thing, right?
No.
It was just all
Performance.
friends.
It was
came
just friends
they
and family
performed.
dancing
I performed
together,
on
यार.
Gulabo. शाहिद कपूर
एक ही
song.
परफॉर्मेंस मतलब एक ही मेडली था उसी में his parents then next song my parents then our friends then us together him solo me solo like my brother his siblings like everything it was fun it was like a one unit
And did you cry?
no
No.
None of you cried at the wedding? The whole wedding, none of you cried?
no only my girlfriends did I'm like तुम लोग क्यों रो रहे हो यार तुम तो मुझे वैसे ही नहीं मिलते हो why are you guys crying
Have you put out the wedding video?
no not so much
Why? There's a petition. Please go and comment below. अब तो उन्हीं के बारे में comment करना तो करिए. आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ हूँ. On your
Please
channel,
put out the
I
wedding
think.
video, na?
We should do that.
I
don't
think
even
on
know
your
where it
channel.
is.
It's by this next Friday or Saturday. This one drops. I'm gonna. All the comments will come and next week.
But it was very like sweet and nobody cried I didn't cry at all.
What was your first reaction when you saw her as a bride? Like every man, like I have interviewed, they have had a different reaction when they speak about it.
Exactly what I imagined. So she was looking so good, and in my favorite color, red. So exactly she was looking the way I imagined her to.
Oh, you still didn't cry, you're saying?
No.
Were you hiding your tears?
No, I'm a very emotional person.
That's why I asked you.
Yeah, very, very emotional. I cry like this. But I was so happy and overwhelmed that time that I kept looking at her and I gave you my hand and everything,
Yes.
but I didn't cry.
I also didn't cry on my
I was
bidai.
very happy. We were in a
You
different
didn't
zone.
cry in your bidai also.
And we were a little high also. We were a little high
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
So हम
So
लोग-
I didn't cry on my bidai.
मैं मतलब we had a coffee, this paper cup, and we had a wine in that.
Yeah.
We were sipping wine, both of us, and we were a little high also.
Yeah, we
A little bit is allowed, yeah. What is this? Thoda to masti mazak is allowed.
Yeah.
But what's been your most favorite moment from the wedding, if you had to? Each, if you.
It is so difficult.
I'll talk about one picture then,
हाँ.
where we are sitting in the wedding feras and she's telling something. अच्छा क्या हुआ था? तो पगड़ी
हाँ.
मैंने पगड़ी पहनी थी. Red
Okay,
color
nobody
पगड़ी.
knows this. It's
Yeah,
exclusive. You'll know now.
exclusive for you again. So I wore this पगड़ी and मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को पहले बोला था हमारे वो सराफा वगैरह वो सब बांधते हैं. सराफा ही कहते हैं.
Safa.
Sehra,
सहरा बांधते हैं. मैंने मना कर दिया था. मैंने कहा मैं कुछ भी वो फूल,
Simple.
नोटों की माला वगैरह I will not do all these things. I'll go just for the पगड़ी. So they were quite, but they got okay. They said okay ठीक है. मैंने रेड कलर की बड़ी अच्छी डिजाइनर पगड़ी पहनी है और अब पगड़ी वाले ने मुझे बोला कि यार मैं बांध थोड़ा सा टाइट रहा हूँ और थोड़ी देर बाद वो ढीली हो जाती है. वो हो ही नहीं है. It didn't happen that way.
That's because you handled it so well. वो ढीली नहीं
ढीली
हुई.
नहीं. अभी क्या हुआ कि by the time it was डोली टाइम वो तो ऐसा हो गया था कि फेरास
हाँ.
ऐसा हो गया था कि I started having major headache. Major. So now I'm just sitting quietly like this in the feras because I have major headache. So she's मेरी कान्हा क्या कहती है so थोड़ा हंस ले सबको लगेगा जबरदस्ती शादी हो रही है.
I'm like, I don't care what you're feeling. You have to smile. वरना सब सोचेंगे तू खुश नहीं
तो
है.
खुश नहीं है शादी से. तो फिर मैं हंस रहा हूँ. दर्द आ रहा है. अभी कुछ दिन पहले अभी हम लोग we went to a party and they were packed.
We
और
went
मैं
to
कार से उतरा,
Divyanka's.
so I'm already doing something to my jacket and all. And a little, I'm not smiling, laughing every time, every second of my life, right? So I'm doing something. हंस ले वो समझेंगे लड़ाई हुई. तो मैं
We've just gotten down from the car. It's Divyanka's baby shower. We've just gotten down from the car. And he's taken, I got down from this side. He took too long to come because he was adjusting his outfit. He's taken too long and he's walked in and he's just like doing this only. I'm like, baby, smile. Media standing. वो सोचेंगे हम झगड़ा करके आए हैं. You know? He forgets. So I have to remind him. Your expressions. You have to smile. Because sometimes he's lost, okay? If you meet him, कहीं दूर आप खड़े हो गए या कुछ होगा या somebody's smiled at you, he's not realized it. I will tell him, there's a lady standing behind you, she smiled at you, turn back, smile at her again, otherwise she'll think you're rude. But you've not seen her,
but that's
so
मतलब,
turn back.
I'm not doing it.
Register नहीं किया
नहीं
होगा.
होता है.
So there's a picture of our wedding जिसमें she's saying something and I'm making of it.
I want that picture.
Yeah, there is
Yeah,
there.
we'll give
It's
it
there
to
on the.
Yeah.
It's there on the internet also.
Wow, it's such a, वो बोलते हैं ना खूबसूरती सादगी में ही होती है. तो it was that kind of a wedding. But after wedding, they say that now you're living together. I don't know how much you've lived together before the wedding also.
Not at all.
So when you start living together is when you get to know कि अच्छा ये habit है जो मुझे tolerate करना पड़ेगा. I'm not even saying a bad habit. Like sometimes, like I'm very unorganized, which my mother is tolerating for the rest of her life. She has
वो मेरे साथ तो
tolerated.
केस ही नहीं है ना.
तुम तो I have heard that you have OCD.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's also something that you have to tolerate.
That I tolerate.
Earlier I couldn't even stand a strand of hair on the floor.
Yeah.
ऐसा था मेरे को दिखता
Yeah.
था. And ये कहती है अभी भी कहती है तेरे को वो हर चीज कैसे दिख जाती है जो किसी को नहीं दिखती.
How
Oh
can he
God.
see the dust where nobody can see dust?
इधर कुछ है?
But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था यार. 7 years is a long
Time to know somebody, yeah.
Yeah. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि surprise factor था कि जब हम we started living together and we knew that now I have to handle this also. Nothing. कुछ भी मेरी तरफ से तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
नहीं, nothing.
My friend right now she's pregnant and she's going to deliver any time now.
Oh,
Maybe in the
so
next
sweet.
7 days, 10
Wow.
days, whatever. I'm very excited. It's the first baby of the group.
Oh.
So husband, like he's like a brother only. Severe OCD.
Oh
And
shit.
you know what I do? I'm such a naughty friend. I was going to use a different word. Hindi
Yeah,
mein, but
I
just stopped
know.
it.
I know. You tried.
I am like, I send him videos जहाँ पे वो बच्चा
हाँ.
एकदम जो छोटा बच्चा नहीं होता सॉस फैला के रखता
हाँ।
है सोफे में। मैं बोला मैं तो सिखाऊंगा, बेटा हो या बेटी, मामू सिखाएगा तुझे परेशान
I
करना
know,
कैसा
I
है,
know.
आटे का डब्बा लेके।
Oh my
I
God.
keep telling him that listen, you are so screwed because I am your Sala. You don't even know what it's going to be
Oh
like, and we
God.
all have this fun moment because I want to know what was your first reaction when you got to know. Like I think you 6 years after
Shadi.
the wedding that you welcomed your boy, but tell me, after in those 5 years, did you guys wait it out? Did you guys want to wait it out? What was the whole idea?
So it was us who decided to wait
Yeah.
before having. When we were dating, there was no stayovers, there were no holidays. We had a very basic, traditional relationship. I was living with my parents. There were no night outs, maybe once in a while. There was no hum Maldives ja rahe hain as boyfriend girlfriend, nothing. So as a married couple, we wanted to do all of that. You know? So I think we traveled, and I remember we had gotten married, and I was we were watching a night show, and I was telling him, I said, Dheeraj, this is such a different feeling. It's 2 a.m. in the night, and I'm not worried ki, oh my god, ghar jana hai, 2 baj gaye. You know, I'm with my husband. And it is because I've had a very traditional upbringing, and we've both had a very traditional relationship. There is no, oh my god, वो husband है तो क्या हुआ, मैं ही क्यों ये करूं, you know, like I do things a wife does, he does things a husband does. We are also friends, but we play the roles we are meant
Yeah.
to play traditionally. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि, you know what I mean? So we did all that. We traveled, we
Yeah.
partied,
Yeah.
we watched movies, we went
You
to
enjoyed
all
those
the,
moments
yes,
together.
we enjoyed the success, you know,
Yes.
touch wood. We enjoyed everything.
So what was the first reaction when you knew that you're expecting? I want to know yours, and then when you told him, I want to know.
नहीं, so this is what I was saying, that हमने घूम फिर लिया, पार्टी भी कर ली, ये भी कर लिया, वो भी कर लिया. And for the first time, I remember I was turning 30, and for the first time I told Dheeraj, I said, I've never been on a girls' trip. I want to go on a girls' trip. I was never this person only. Now I told you, I want to make it big. I want to go on a girls' trip. So he made all the reservations. I asked my girlfriends. We booked a villa in Goa, and all that. And I remember I was sitting with the girls, my childhood friends, and some from the industry. I was sitting in the villa with the girls, and I was. We were just talking about life and having a beer, and I was like, now I've turned 30. Now I feel like I'm ready to be a mom. We're discussing about our dreams and plans and everything. And I told them, I said, now I feel I'm ready. And it was 2021 only that I had turned 30, June. And I think November, December, we conceived. Almost like God was listening. And touch wood, I was, this is also, I was telling my friends, I said, we pushed this new chapter of our lives initially.
Out in the universe.
Yeah. And initially we pushed it to delay it also a little. And I was like, okay, now I don't want anybody else to kind of teach me any more patience. Now I feel ready. So I know people try, and then, things take time. Thankfully for us, we were lucky enough that, I set my mind on it and my heart on it, and it happened.
But what was the first reaction when you actually found out, when you told him?
You telling me was the funniest. huh?
Yeah. I was very happy. I was so very happy. And I want to tell him nicely. You
Yeah.
remember that it was so, December we found out. And it was his birthday also in December. And were you leaving to go somewhere in December?
No, I don't remember. Exactly.
Maybe he was leaving for a shoot or something. I don't.
Yes,
Henna,
I
you
was
were
going-
leaving
yes,
somewhere.
yes.
So before his birthday, I've gotten this gift box made. Okay, I have a video of it which I've never shared. It's just for us because it's hilarious. And
So
I've
now
gotten
you
a-
should.
No. I
On
won't.
your channel, you must. Listen, all these I'm taking notes of. Wait.
So I was always this video lelo, photo lelo person, na. So I've made like a gift box for him that says special delivery. Okay, and I told you it's your birthday gift. So he's like, okay, special delivery, special something. He's like, maybe it's a watch or something. He's opened that, and then there is, like a small onesie that says boyfriend this year to this year, husband this year to this year, daddy 2022. So he took his time. Why is she giving me a baby cloth? Until he read it. So it was hilarious because inki, matlab,
My
it didn't
reaction.
strike him only.
What was
It
your reaction?
I was crying.
Yeah, he was.
I was crying. I was very emotional. Yeah, I was super happy, and I think I carried that emotion for a bit actually. Till the time I carried my son in my hand. Actually, I still remember when she was pregnant, and I was doing 3 different shows. I was doing Sher Dil Sher Gil, I was doing Jhalak Dikhla Ja, and I was shooting for another short film. I was very busy, chock a block my schedule and all, and then uh, taking care of her at home. And आप ये नहीं कह सकते मैं थक के आया हूँ, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि I am not keeping well, because you need to take care of her needs and everything. So my parents were also here, and her mother was also with us at that time. But still, being a husband, you need to be there emotionally also. But everything, that feeling got to an end when I held my son for the first time. And she was in the OT, and the doctor came and gave my son in my lap, and I was so happy. I was very emotional. My sasu
He was
ma
crying
with
then
me.
also.
I was crying then also. So I think that feeling, and somehow I imagined myself. यार आपका क्या होता है ना, मैं हमेशा से बात भी करता हूँ, आप ना जब when you get a news that you're becoming a father, you're becoming a parent, आप सब कुछ imagine कर लेते हो कि लाइफ कैसी होगी, but you never imagine the face of your kid. ये बड़ा अजीब है एक, because you cannot imagine how he or she will look, right? So आप हमेशा ऐसा सोचते हो, आपने जैसा सोचा वो ऐसी होगी, वो ऐसा होगा, तो आप ऐसे करोगे, वैसे करोगे, हम घूमेंगे, ये करेंगे, but you never imagine the face. And when that face comes in front of you, it's a different thing. Now your dreams have taken a face.
Yeah.
And that is a feeling. The physicality of of whole thing is a great thing. और आज भी वो mama's boy है, but still my love for him is.
No, but I have seen videos where he's very like balanced. I like this. He'll say, "Mama is looking better," and then he'll say,
Yeah.
"No, Papa is looking better," and then he will balance it. He'll
Yeah.
balance it very, very
He's
well.
a sweet
Yeah.
chap. And
Yeah.
He's just like the way I wanted my boy to be. He's just my happiness.
But I want to understand that were you there in the OT with
No,
her?
I couldn't
No.
because I was not keeping well that time. I was shooting. I was very exhausted, and I was not keeping well. So doctors didn't allow
It's
me
not
inside.
because it's a sterilized.
Sterile, yeah.
So sad part, but I couldn't get inside the OT. But I was there,
Yeah.
just outside the door.
And then first thing, like you of course said that you cried and everything. Like, what was the first reaction from the family when you told them that you guys were expecting and the family is going to
Oh,
grow?
they were happy. They had been after our lives.
Yeah.
5 साल हो गए, 6 साल हो गए.
You know how mothers
How
are.
much you
That's
want to
true.
enjoy?
That's true.
Yeah. So all of them were very happy. Her family,
Yeah.
my family, we all celebrated it. Very happy. So we threw kind of a small party also for the baby shower. So everybody came from Delhi, and we had a great time.
Yeah.
But it's so important, Dheeraj, to also be there emotionally for your partner, especially through that phase of your life. Like when I'm talking about my friends, my respect for Shantanu has increased so much. Like, I love him. I'm always making fun of him, and I'm like, we have a Tom and Jerry relationship. But andar hi andar na, honestly speaking, I love my sister, but I somehow feel like I respect Shantanu so much more because of what I see him doing for her. And it's so beautiful to see that, right? Because ये basic ही है, पर आजकल शायद बेसिक ही लोग नहीं कर पाते, तो इस बात को भी हम लोग इतना मतलब वैल्यू दे देते हैं, राइट? सो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट वाज इट फॉर यू एट दैट पॉइंट व्हेन यू न्यू दैट शी could have phases, right? Because it's hormonal changes going through her body. There will be days where she would be moody and all of that, and that's absolutely normal. That happens. How do you deal with those days and the phase? How was it?
There was no planning to it. I will deal with her in that way, and it was very organic. It was very natural. If she's not keeping well, and if she's going through some hormonal changes and mood swings, I am there for her. You know, if she's asking, मुझे आज भी याद है, चल मेरे को आज चाट खिला ला.
हाँ.
So these are the sweet things. I remember the sweet things.
हाँ, so thankfully I was. It was good for
the
us. touch
doctor
wood.
was telling us that she's one of the brave girls. मतलब उसके, and she is someone very sorted in these things. यार, I'm the one who's अच्छा हुआ मैं माँ नहीं बना. अच्छा
He would panic.
Panic? मतलब I would go the panic.
He actually tells me that. He's like,
I am someone. So she's the sorted one in our relationship, and she's a very strong.
my
girl.
hormones were balanced even when they were imbalanced.
Yeah.
Basically.
Mentally, you.
Yeah.
मेरे को अंदर से गिल्ट एक था. मेरे को गिल्ट ये था कि मैं शायद इतना टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा.
Yeah. I was coming to that. Yeah.
तो ये मेरा एक गिल्ट था, एंड मैं उसके लिए बहुत मेकअप करता था अपना कि मैं चला जाऊं, टाइम पे पहुंच जाऊं. ये बट क्या होता था ना कि यू कैन नॉट, यू हैव कमिटमेंट्स टू गिव एंड एवरीथिंग. उस चक्कर में मेरा एग्जॉशन बहुत बढ़ गया. आई वॉज वेरी एग्जॉस्टेड. मैं 3 शूट्स करके घर जाता था, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर व्हेन शी वाज इन लेबर एंड ऑल. She took for more than
24
hours
hours,
she
more
was in labor, and वो दिन actually was tough for both of us because she was in extreme pain, and मेरा उसी दिन following day I had a shoot, very big shoot झलक दिखला जा का, और मैंने
some photo shoot, like
the
launch
marketing
and,
shoot पूरे दिन का,
yeah.
and उसमें डांस होता है सब कुछ, and rehearse नहीं किया हुआ क्योंकि I'm being with her and everything, tension है अलग, you know, so I felt sick.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आपको कहीं ना कहीं आप ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि that she is in pain and you are sleeping in another bedroom, you know. So you have to be physically, emotionally with her. तो वो चीज़ थोड़ा सा था मेरे अंदर, हल्का सा गिल्ट फैक्टर आता था कि यार ओ शिट, मैं आई शुड बी एट होम विद हर, मैं जल्दी पहुंच जाऊं, या मैं कितनी भी नींद आ रही है आई हैव टू बी विद हर.
Yeah.
सो वो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, एंड आई थिंक इट कम्स वेरी नेचुरली टू मेन. ऑल द फादर हु आर द वुड बी फादर्स, मुझे लगता है सबके अंदर नेचुरली इट्स आवर हार्मोनल चेंजेस.
But coming to that, then being a father, what are the changes that you notice instantly happen? Like there's an instant shift. You said now that when you hold your child in your arms, there's an instant shift.
You should ask this question to her actually. What changes you saw in me? Because मैंने तो ये देखा, I've become very responsible now. मेरे अंदर जो मैं, because I'm the youngest in my family, मुझे ऐसा लगता था I'm the most pampered one. मैं हर चीज़ के लिए लड़ता था, ये मेरा है तो ये मेरा है. Now I've started giving up. अभी क्या होता है कि I am sharing my things with her, but with him, but he's not sharing his things with me, and I have to be okay with that fact. You know, because अगर मैं 2 chocolates लाया हूँ and I'm saying कि ये मैं, I will share it with you, and in return I want yours, but he will not give it to me.
He'll have
Both the
the
chocolates.
share, and he will not give also.
So, but slowly, I'm getting okay with it, and see, it's a great joy to be a father. मुझे लगता है हर किसी के लिए. तो आप
And you have a happy child.
touch wood. और आप
Very happy.
जब आप अपने से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस किसी और को देने लगते हो, that's a different phase of your life.
Yeah.
तो उसकी हैप्पीनेस, उसके हिसाब से वेकेशंस, उसके हिसाब से कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ रुकना है, क्या खाना
Arey
है.
Baba, he's how he was with me. He used to take me everywhere. Now I tell him we should go out. He says Zen will not go. I'm like,
I want to take him along.
sometimes I'm like, can I please have a break from being a mom, and can we go out? So it was his birthday, and we had no fancy plans because we were traveling for Christmas. So we said, "Chalo dinner pe hi chalenge." I said, "Chal, we will go." But Zen will not go. It's his father's birthday. I'm like, he doesn't care.
But that I agree with him.
Yeah.
On his father's birthday,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
okay.
But किया कुछ नहीं करना है, खाना खा के वापस आ जाना है. But it's just that you get
It's a
that 1
complete-
hour.
तो मेरा
It
पेट नहीं
makes-
भरता यार. पेट in the sense मैं पूरा दिन भी उसके साथ हूँगा ना, the minute he sleep, मेरा फिर से होता है यार इसको उठा दें.
हाँ.
I'm getting bored.
He gets very
तो
like.
मैं थोड़ा uneasy हो जाता हूँ. So I want to spend maximum time with him, or I want to share every moment with him. But वो अपना है यार, you know, he doesn't give me that much of importance. वो अपने उसको जाना है play area खेलने, तो वहाँ चला जाएगा. I want to stop him, but he says नहीं, मुझे वो भी
He
important
doesn't
है.
let me.
I want to go. My friends are waiting for me.
No, school जाना है. He'll be like, क्यों जाना है school?
School के
कल ही
जाना.
तो गया था, छुट्टी कराओ.
No, but I have to go to school, Papa.
Yeah.
I have to go to school.
I send him to a class, football class जाना है कि instead of just doing random things at
Yeah.
home, they learn something constructive, basic. कुछ भी सीखेंगे, but कुछ तो सीखेंगे ना, so it's okay.
And you never know किस चीज पे नैक हो
No, but
जाएगा.
papa's home, तो कहीं नहीं जाना है. बस मेरे साथ ही रहो, मेरे साथ ही खेलो. Like he's the needy child
यार
of the
किसी ने मुझे
house.
बोला ना, क्योंकि 10 साल के बाद they don't give you time. they become very independent with their friends, they spend time and all. So क्या होता है, मैं चाहता हूँ वो 10 साल तक कम से कम मेरे हों. So but अभी वो 10 साल की लिमिट चेंज हो गई. I think that will be
5 years.
5 years. I think 5 साल बाद they are not with you anymore. They will
They have
spend time,
schools and responsibilities and
classes, different extracurricular activities. ये सब में ही बच्चा पूरा दिन निकल जाता है, शाम को आके बस आपके साथ बेड पे सो रहा है. और आजकल तो वो भी शायद कल्चर चेंज हो गया, they sleep in another room.
But
हमारा तो नहीं, no.
Not
We
me.
get punched and kicked and whatnot in the night. We're like squeezing in together in the same bed.
But that there's a different feeling
Yeah.
in that. When did you decide on the name? Like, what were the other names that you guys had thought of? Must be some options.
Oh, we are not telling. What was the other name?
What was the other name we can't tell you, but the
But we
name
just-
was decided. अगर लड़की होगी तो ये नाम है, लड़का
लड़का
होगा
होगा
तो
तो ये नाम है.
अच्छा.
और I was very emotional. मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, I was crying when I was punching his details in the computer in the hospital.
For his birth certificate.
Birth certificate registration, and I was the one who wrote his name for the first time. And I was
Zain Dupar, son
and
of.
you're giving identities to
Yes.
someone for the whole life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's a great feeling. I mean, writing that name for the first time, and then and I absolutely loved his name.
But what was your first reaction when he called you Papa?
Yeah, always emotional. I mean,
Yeah.
if I talk about it, I'll still cry. But he, as I said, he's a part of me. So मुझे तो शायद हम लोग ऐसे मजाक में लड़ते भी थे कि मैं पहले मम्मा बोला, पहले पापा बोला, but always Papa. So
Always Papa.
He was blabbering. Pa.
Papa
Okay,
होगा ना?
that's not Papa. He didn't say Papa.
तो ऐसे तो कोई भी नहीं बोलता.
But recognizing Papa and saying Papa is one thing, and just saying Papa is not Papa.
I give it to him.
My God, you guys.
I think अभी वो recognition. You know, the baby always recognizes the mother and the father first.
Mother.
And mother, of course. Mother more attached to, but I think baby
You know, the
is,
biggest
recognize-
happiness is when he says he wants to be like me. उसको मेरे जैसा पहनना है, उसको पापा की तरह गॉगल्स चाहिए, उसको पापा की तरह जैकेट चाहिए. If I'm wearing black, he wants to wear black.
Yeah.
If I'm wearing white shoes, जैसे कल we were going out and I wore grey shoes. He said no, the white shoes looks nice because I'm gonna wear white, so you have to wear white.
So you are also wearing exactly.
So I changed my shoes.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
अब तो नहीं चलने वाली.
नहीं.
But this is the biggest
Best.
happiness. I mean, nothing is better than this. That he wants to be just like you.
So true. And you know, I saw this video, Vinny, few days ago. I think you guys had gone somewhere where he had cooked something. There's a vlog that you've put out, right? And there's a part where he comes to you and he says, I think you've given him a cookie and he's finished his cookie, and then there was your cookie left which you were going to have. And you said that, no, that's my cookie. So it's so important that you're also inculcating those values in him at a very young age, right? Like, because हम जब बच्चे थे तो हम मम्मी पापा बोलते थे ना कि अच्छा जब माँ बाप बनोगे तो समझ में आएगा. तो ऐसी कौन सी सारी चीजें जो अब समझ में आ रही है? Because now that you're raising him with all the values that both of you have come and both of you had.
But this particular value she's giving, I'm not. I'm the mama in the relationship.
Yeah.
I'm his
Emotionally
mother.
also, I'm the stronger one.
I'm the one. I will give the piece of my heart also to him. ले खा ले.
बेटे जान मांग रहे तू?
तू जान ले.
ये ले.
मैं मतलब she's teaching him, which is very good, and I'm very happy. But मेरे साथ क्या होता है? I'm just like my mother when I was a kid and she was to me the same way. तो मेरी माँ, मैं कुछ मांग लूँ तो मेरी माँ तो मतलब तू मेरा भी ले ले, मेरा भी वही है. So if I'm having a cookie, if he wants a bite, I'll give him the whole cookie. But she teaches him that, okay, this is my portion, this is your portion, you have to be okay with your portion, which is a great thing too.
Yeah, also to share, I think. Yeah.
नहीं, पता है क्या? We are we are raising the men of the coming generation. It is so important for me to teach my son that, listen, brother, you're not entitled to my share because you are a man or because you are a boy or a child, or कि आप जिद करोगे तो आपका काम हो जाएगा, या आप आवाज ऊंची करोगे या गुस्सा करोगे या लेट जाओगे जमीन पे तो आपकी बात मानी जाएगी. I'm sorry, ये नहीं होगा.
Before we move into the last segment, I have a question. We all come from a family where we've had siblings. He's 4 years old, if I'm not mistaken. Have you thought of another child? Just asking, because do you want, because kids who grow up with siblings, they they have a different mentality. Like my niece now, she's 14. She complains that she's never had a sibling, right? And I am the only sibling. It's become like that because the age gap is. Yeah. So have you ever thought about that?
I haven't thought about it.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to see. पता नहीं, I don't know how it goes in the future. But मेरा क्या है? मैं थोड़ा सा as a person ऐसा हूँ कि मुझे हमेशा ये डर लगा रहता है कि जो attention है और जो प्यार है वो बंट ना जाए. You know, मैं ऐसा हूँ ऐसा. मतलब I don't know whether I will be able to do justice to both the kids.
But it's so good for you to even come and admit it.
Yeah.
You are man enough to admit it.
Yeah,
I'm being honest.
Yeah. So मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है because that is not a person I am actually, because I cannot take that away. फिर उसके लिए मेरे अंदर हमेशा के लिए guilt रहेगा, you know, because I've seen most of the cases around me that the elder child gets ignored when the younger one comes. Actually, मैंने देखा है ऐसा.
Why would you say that?
Just saying.
Because you are
My
the
brother
youngest.
will get very happy with this point.
Yeah, but होता है ऐसा, and which is not a good thing. Yeah. I mean, most of the parents
Suddenly they have to be responsible. That's for sure.
Yeah, so बड़ा बच्चा कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा सफर करता है, he gets ignored and all, which is not a correct thing, and I'm not okay with it. So मुझे नहीं पता in the future if it happens, तो I will be able to justify that thing or not.
But on that note, we'll actually have a fun segment. It's called As Solid as a Rock. It's basic compatibility questions. Okay? And we'll test your compatibility in this segment. So this segment is called As Solid as a Rock. There'll be 4 questions for you that he has to answer.
Okay.
And 4 questions about you that she has to answer. And if it's correct,
It's yes or no? What is it?
yes or no नहीं.
बहुत ध्यान से खेलिएगा, ना उत्तर मालूम हो तो रिस्क मत लीजिएगा.
Answer.
The answer.
कुछ भी सवाल हो सकता
Okay.
है. In the end, I'm going to give you 4 choices of things. You have to pick one that I'll come to.
Okay.
But जितने भी सही जवाब आप दोगे, मैच अगर किया, तो you get a
Okay.
like her answers if you can give it correctly. Okay. Who should I start with?
ये फंस गया सीएम.
Anyone?
Anyone? So Vinny, first question about Dheeraj. Dheeraj's best friend's name is.
Best friend's name.
Once more! You said he doesn't have friends. Now that's why difficult question.
I should take my own name.
No. No familial relationship, friendship.
And he knows the answer.
Oh, Sudeep. Is it Sudeep?
You should answer it.
You say?
I'll say Sudeep.
Sudeep. What is your answer?
Sudeep.
Yeah.
Sudeep. Sure.
Yeah.
यही सवाल.
I have few. I mean, I can say a few names.
Take 2 more.
Prachin, Sudeep, and one friend. I'll say Krunal.
So you have got a point.
Yeah, okay.
1 point. Okay. One of your co-stars, who she is the most friendly with.
That's a
Who
question
she
to me.
considers the closest.
Yeah. That's a question to you, your co-star.
Your co-star, जो सबसे करीब है, Vinny. You have the answer, no?
I'm thinking. कौन सी वाली सबसे करीब?
No, I mean that can be any not
show,
not the
any show,
not the
any
heroine.
हाँ,
No, it can be anybody.
It can be.
I think Palak.
Palak, you have said. What are you saying?
Yeah, I mean, I am like better friends with all his co-actors. पर अब मैं याद कर रही हूँ, फिर मैं किसी का नाम लूँ और किसी का नहीं लूँ तो किसी को बुरा तो नहीं लग
नहीं
जाएगा.
ऐसा क्यों?
You know, just.
I mean, what you feel?
Who, excuse me, the question is about you.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Okay, don't look at him. The question is
You
which
need to
co-star
confirm.
of his
हाँ.
is your most favorite person?
My favorite person, nahin yaar, they're all
Closest.
such closest. See, some bonds they stay with you like really long. Okay, so he did Sasural Simarka, and Falak was playing his sister. Now that's a bond we've had for a very long time. Although I'm also close to Ruhi and Shraddha from Kundli Bhagya, so aisa nahi hai. But since you said closest, and you know. The longer it is, the more things you know about people, right? Yeah. So I think he said,
Palak,
yeah. Let's go.
1 all, huh? Now question about you. The producer he wants to work with next. Who he has not worked with, huh? The producer he has.
Who he has not worked with.
Yeah. But he really wishes to It can be any producer.
It was अभी हमने recently तो discuss नहीं किया, but in between like it was Gul.
Okay.
I'm not looking at him.
On
also.
TV, yes, it was good.
On TV it was Gul.
Which Ishqbaz did they do?
Ishbaz.
Ishbaz, yes.
They
yes,
did, na?
yes,
I know.
Yeah.
That he has. यही तो बहुत
ही पहले का ही है ना. They've been wanting to work with each other for a while. It's just not happened.
Why isn't it happening?
Put something or the other.
From
you know.
Geet time.
Yeah, from Geets.
तो हो जाना चाहिए. Geet was offered to you.
I tested for it, yes.
Okay, so what? You get 2 points. Her favorite, because she spoke so much about ice cream. Her favorite ice cream flavor is
Chocobite.
Yeah,
Choco Bite.
Choco Bite.
Wow, 2 all. भाई ये तो मतलब
It's been
बहुत-
many years.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing that can instantly get him angry or annoyed.
Yeah.
Instantly, hunger.
Hunger. If he's
hungry.
Angry, yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah. And I won't even realize it. I won't even realize it.
He doesn't know. So that's what I'm saying. He's been babied for so long. He doesn't know
that he's hungry.
that he's hangry. So I'll be like,
Fine.
1 second. We will have this conversation. 1 minute. First, eat something. Then let's talk about this. So he doesn't realize also.
So 3-2. Okay. One thing, like when you have a fight, one thing that instantly gets us smiling or like sorts everything.
In a fight?
Yeah.
In a fight.
Like an argument के बाद या फिर कभी भी that one thing that can instantly make her smile or just be happy suddenly. Like suppose she's upset. Chalo, let me change the question. If she's upset, one thing that can get her
So I make these random noises and speak random things which doesn't mean anything, and this is-
Hilarious.
I mean, I do the craziest things. I mean, when I'm at home, so I make these funniest songs, and
He'll make impromptu songs with the
with
most hilarious
words
lyrics.
and hilarious
Yeah.
things, and that's what I mean, thinking of that, she's laughing.
correct है.
I mean,
Yeah.
you can't even imagine that what
भाई
I.
यहाँ पे तो कोई जीता हार है ही नहीं.
Or he can take me shopping.
Yeah.
शॉपिंग की बात करें तो मैंने आपका एक वीडियो देखा है जहाँ पे आपने बोला है कि जब भी मैं गुस्सा करती हूँ, जब भी ये गुस्सा करती है तो मैं एक डायमंड लेके
हाँ,
Yeah,
anytime,
yeah.
yes.
देखिए नाउ
पर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं गुस्सा करती नहीं हूँ ना ज्यादा. करो अब गुस्सा करेंगे.
आज
Yeah.
after this you should. Okay, so basically now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 4 items, okay, 4 necklaces for him basically,
For him.
and pendants and 4 rings for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to select for him and you also select for yourself which one you like. Okay, these are from Carrot Lane Natural Diamonds. So you have to tell me which one of these 4 lockets or pendants would Dheeraj pick. So Dheeraj, you also have to pick. Dheeraj is already picked.
मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बोल दो.
Top.
ये है 1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
This one?
One.
1. Wow. When was the last time that you got a diamond because you were angry? Tell me.
It's been around when Zen was born. That's when I was angry. I don't get angry.
You
so
don't get
easily.
angry. अरे but why?
I should get diamonds for not getting angry. No,
You should say that you already get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diamond.
I'm actually getting diamonds for not being angry.
Okay, so what was the what are the kind of diamonds that you usually like?
Yeah, solitaires anytime. Like I would love like solitaire earrings and a ring because
Nowadays,
that's something.
even I'm into diamonds. So I
Yeah.
should also do that.
If I knew, I would have gotten the earring collection.
Yeah, he's into earrings now.
Okay, these are from the Leher collection that we have at Carrot Lane. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I have to choose, right?
Yeah, you will also choose for her.
I think she will choose the first one.
First one. What are you saying?
I would have chosen the first and the second, both actually.
First and the second.
Yeah.
Dono. But should we give the point or should we not give?
Of course we should.
Of course we should because ये यहाँ पे compatibility test में 100% compatibility है. 4 points each. ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है शो पे.
Baby, अब तो फिर let's go shopping.
Now.
Carrot Lane.
Carrot Lane, and I will tell them now. I will tell them to reach out to both of you now. Now, please, now that this compatibility is the highest across the season, they deserve something amazing. A solitaire.
Yes.
Now that she said that she loves
Oh, yeah,
solitaire,
I know.
or maybe one from the Layer collection,
Yeah.
the first one only which you picked.
Yeah.
But thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
doing this, for taking out time and genuinely, you know, I just feel like some conversations make you feel and look at things in a way gentler and fonder way. This is one of those conversations, and this will remain
So
one of
sweet.
them. I am happy, and I hope that people, even when they come after 5, 7, 10 years, when love is taking a different definition with every year as we speak. But when they come back and watch your love story, they will always be reminded of a love story that was so unscripted and beautiful, which will become that ideal love story that they veer towards. And who knows, may we have more from this breed of love stories, because that's the need of the hour. I would like to have a love story just like you
Aw,
both.
thank you.
And thank you for doing this, genuinely.
Thank you
So
so
sweet.
much
No
for
way, it's a
having
pleasure to be here.
We are very fond of you, and thank you so much for having us here.
And thank you for closing this season
Yay!
of my show. Yay!